Moving into upward facing dog pose, go ahead and lie onto your belly and make sure that your feet are about hip width apart. We're gonna drop our chest down just a little bit, scooch back your hands a little bit more closer towards your rib cage. Then pull back your elbows. Really important to pull back the elbows. Shoulders come back. Engage your back muscles as much as possible. Push into the hands, shoulders back, squeezing your thighs, lifting them off the ground. You're on the top portion of your feet here. Your toes are not tucked under, unless if it feels more comfortable, that's okay. But watch out for shoulders protruding a little bit more forward. Pull them back. Stay lifted and use a nice strong form here. Take a few breaths here, in and out. Getting a good stretch all the way from your stomach to your hip flexors to your shoulders. And then whenever you're ready, you can drop the knees, elbows come back. Really important to hug the inside of your body, engaging your back muscles as you slowly come down back to where you started.